Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Want to install WordPress on your Mac without buying, hosting or uploading your website to the internet? In this video, I will show you how to install WordPress locally on your Mac using an app called Local. So let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what WordPress is. WordPress is a popular content management system that lets you create websites, blogs, online stores, and many other types of websites like service-based websites, business websites, blogging websites, and etc. And when you install WordPress locally, you can build and test your website directly on your Mac without needing a live server or domain. Now let's see how to install it. First, open your browser and search for local WordPress. Then press enter. Now you can see here local WordPress development made simple, the official website. Simply click on this link. Now at the top you can see here download button. Simply click on the download button. Now we have to fill this detail. First, choose your platform. Select your Mac chip. If you have Intel based, select Mac Intel. If you have Apple Silicon, select Mac Apple Silicon. Now provide your name here. Now enter your last name. Now choose the organization. Now at the last, enter your work email. Then click on Get It Now. Then click on Allow. As you can see, the download is started. Now let the download to be done first. As you can see, the local is successfully downloaded. Now let's install it. Now simply double click on the DMG file. Now you can see here local installation mode is open. Now just simply drag the local app on the application folder. That's it. Let the copying be done first. Now it is successfully copied to the application folder. Now let's open it. Open your launchpad. Now open local. It is verifying the app. In case if it asks for any kind of permission, just simply go on system preferences and then from here give it the access. Now click on open. Now the app will open. Now simply just tick this box. I have read and agreed to local terms and services. Then click on I agree. Now you will see the main dashboard of local. Now from here you can create a website. Simply click on this plus icon. Now just select create a new site. Then click on continue. Then give your site a name. I will give it a demo site. Then click on continue. Then select preferred, leave it as by default, then click on continue. Now give it a username. Then the password. Now leave it the WordPress email as it is, then click on add site. Now it is adding the site. Now it is starting up site services. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. If you guys are facing any kind of issue downloading this, please let me know in the comment section. Now you can see here it asking for your Mac password. Provide it. Then click on OK. Now it is installing WordPress. Now your site is live. Now what you have to do, you can see here WP admin. Simply click on it. Now provide the same username and password here which you have made for your site. Then click on login. Now you can install themes and plugins, create pages and posts, customize your website and test everything locally on your Mac. The best part is that your website is running on your computer, so you don't need a domain name or web hosting while you are developing it. And that's how you can install and run WordPress locally on a Mac using local. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more Mac tutorial. Thank you for watching.